welcome to week 6 of the 12 fiber gifts of Christmas. I am super excited about this week's fiber gift because this is a craft that I love to do and enjoy making these. I've been doing them for a while, so without any further ado, open the box. And this is our fiber gift. So these are the Circulo crochet amigurumi kits, and starting Friday, November 17th, they're going to be on sale for 20% off, just the Christmas 2023 ones. So this is the kit, and this is the finished product. And everything that you need comes in this kit. So it has a hook, stitch markers, yarn, fiber fill, everything you need except a pair of scissors. And there's even a little QR code that you can use if you need some video tips if you download the Circulo app. So there's several to choose from. So of course this one's the elf. We have got the snowman. Flora the reindeer. The gingerbread man. And of course, wouldn't be complete without Mr. and Mrs. Claus. So get your kits before they go off sale, which will be the 23rd is when the sale will end. And thanks for watching.